Hi guys, Joshua Tharby here, property tax specialist. Today I'm giving you some self-assessment tax saving tips all around what expenses you can claim. We're going to be posting a few more of these over the next couple of days, so make sure you stay tuned. But today we're talking all about office supplies. So when you've got a property business, whether in your own name or a limited company, you can claim the cost of office supplies. This includes any telephone numbers you've got, virtual landlines, any credit for your SIM-only deals, for your DTV flyers. You can claim all of that. Your mobile phone, so if you're operating in your own name or a partnership, you can claim the business proportion of your mobile phone. So you use it 50% for business, that's great. 50% of those costs as a tax deduction. Slightly different rules for a limited company. Check out my other videos for that. But as an individual, that's great news and it's more tax deductions for you. You can also claim any costs, postage costs, business stationery, business cards, inks, pens, pads, papers, computer software, any of that stuff, you name it, you can claim it. Make sure you don't miss any of these out because you need to claim them in the year when you incurred those costs in order to get the tax deduction. So make sure you list out, look through your bank statements, look through your invoices, get some details together so that you truly are paying the least amount of tax this tax return season. If you find this video useful, please do tap that like button so I know you guys are loving it and I need to keep on doing more. Other than that, have a great day guys. Bye.